The rise of artificial intelligence has fundamentally shifted the structure of entrepreneurship. Historically, building a technology company required capital, teams of engineers, infrastructure, and long development cycles. Today, an individual with expertise, strategic positioning, and access to AI tools can build a scalable, profitable one-person business. A one-person AI business is not simply freelancing with automation tools. It is the deliberate design of a lean, highly automated, strategically positioned operation that leverages artificial intelligence to deliver disproportionate value relative to labor input. The model depends on clarity of niche, intelligent productization, automation, strategic pricing, and disciplined systems thinking. This analysis explores strategic foundations, business model selection, market validation, legal and structural considerations, technology stack selection, service versus product positioning, automation architecture, marketing systems, pricing psychology, scaling without hiring, risk management, long-term defensibility. A one-person AI business is a solo-operated venture that uses artificial intelligence tools to produce services, products, or intellectual property at scale without building a traditional team. The key differentiator is leverage. AI acts as workforce amplification. Instead of hiring designers gives AI-assisted design. Hiring copywriters gives AI-assisted copy. Hiring analysts gives AI-assisted research. Hiring developers gives AI coding assistance. Hiring support gives AI chat systems. You remain the strategist, operator, and decision maker. 3 macro trends enable this model. Advanced AI tools are accessible via APIS and SaaS platforms. Creators and operators can reach markets directly through digital platforms. Cloud computing, no-code platforms, and automation tools eliminate fixed overhead. Low overhead, high margin, fast pivot capability, full control. Rapid experimentation, geographic independence, scalability through automation. Cognitive overload, skill concentration risk. Single point of failure. Slower execution without automation. Brand ceiling unless strategically positioned. Understanding these limitations is critical to designing resilience into your business. The most important decision is the structure of value delivery. You use AI tools to deliver high-value outcomes for clients. AI-powered marketing consultancy, automated content agency, AI-driven data analytics consulting, workflow automation specialist. Immediate revenue, higher cash flow early, easier validation. Time-linked income, client dependency, harder to scale passively. You build digital products using AI. Examples: niche AI SaaS tool, AI-powered research tool, automated report generation system, subscription-based content engine, micro SaaS API wrapper. Recurring revenue, higher valuation potential, scalable. Development time, upfront validation risk, technical complexity. The most effective path for a one-person AI founder often follows this progression. Start with high-margin AI services. Identify repeatable problems. Productize solution. Build automation. Transition from service-heavy to product-heavy revenue. General AI services are commoditized. Specialization is survival. Profitable niche equals specific industry plus expensive problem plus clear outcome. Example: instead of AI marketing services, use AI-driven lead generation for boutique law firms. Identify target industry. Research pain points. Conduct 10 to 20 interviews. Test paid pilot. Measure willingness to pay. Validation metric. If customers will pay before the solution is fully built, the niche is viable. Strong AI niches include legal document automation, healthcare administrative optimization, real estate lead processing, e-commerce product optimization, B2B sales automation, financial reporting automation. You do not need to be an AI researcher. You need applied, leverage skills. Prompt engineering, workflow automation, API integration, business strategy, sales psychology, systems thinking, financial literacy. Technical founders often overbuild. Strategic founders often underspecify. The ideal solo AI operator balances technical capability, market awareness, monetization focus. Sole proprietorship, limited liability company, LLC. Private limited company, depending on jurisdiction. An LLC structure is typically recommended for liability protection and flexibility. You must have client service agreements, confidentiality agreements, data protection clauses, IP ownership clarity. If handling user data, GDPR compliance, data storage transparency, security protocols, AI usage disclosure. Ignoring compliance can destroy a solo business instantly. Your stack should be modular, replaceable, scalable, API-driven. Language models, vision models, automation APIs, automation platforms, connecting tools, website, dashboards, client portals, cloud storage, database systems, subscription billing tools. A one-person business should launch in weeks, not months. Iterate fast, keep costs low, use no-code where possible. Automation determines scalability. Every repeated task should become template, automation, script, API call. Instead of performing tasks, design systems that perform tasks. Example: instead of writing reports manually, create automated report generator. Pipelines. Underpricing is the most common failure. Price based on outcome value, cost savings, revenue impact, not time spent. Offer high-tier premium plan, mid-tier standard plan, entry diagnostic offer. This drives positioning. Subscription models increase stability. Retainer-based AI services are ideal. Ongoing optimization, data monitoring, performance tuning. Build authority through long-form content, case studies, LinkedIn positioning, niche specialization. Educational positioning works best. Industry problem breakdown, AI solution explanation, transparent frameworks. Personalized, high-value outreach often outperforms ads in early stages. Target fewer, higher-paying clients initially. Advantages: faster revenue, deeper insight, better testimonials, deliver exceptional outcome, document results, turn into case study, increase price, repeat. The central question: how do you scale without building a team? Answer: systematization plus automation plus productization. Customization reduces scale. Standardized packages increase margin. Develop frameworks, methodologies, proprietary prompts, automation templates. These become assets. Avoid over-reliance on single AI provider, single client, single platform. The one-person model fails when founder becomes bottleneck. Solution: automate early. Limit meeting load. Create structured calendar. Starting a one-person AI business is not about using trendy tools. It is about Designing leverage. The winning formula. Clarity of niche. Automation first thinking. Value-based pricing. Systemized delivery. Strategic positioning. Artificial intelligence does not replace entrepreneurs. It replaces inefficiency. A single disciplined operator with AI. Leverage can now build what previously required teams of 10 or more.